Hi guys, today I'm going to show a super healthy weight loss diet drink which will help quickly lose fat and get a perfect slim figure. It will also work for people who are diabetics or have heart problems and can't manage cholesterol levels. I will also be coming up with a diet plan on how to lose weight, so do check my channel. And to make one glass of this weight loss diet drink, we would need oats 1 tablespoon, yogurt 4 tablespoons, few chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder or cumin powder, whichever is available, 1 medium sized green chili, 1 gram of ginger, salt to taste, and some cold water. Now, instead of regular oats here, I'm using multigrain oats known as Oats Plus to add to the nutritional value, so you may use any. Now, to start with, take a pan and dry roast oats on medium heat. Once oats turn medium brown, turn off the heat. Now, transfer and soak them in room temperature water. In about 7 to 10 minutes, oats will absorb the moisture and turn soft. Now transfer the oats in a grinder along with ginger, green chili and cilantro and grind them together into a smooth paste. In the meantime, let's have a one-to-one with the ingredients. Do you know oats are one of the top healthiest foods? It contains more soluble fiber than any other grain, resulting in slower digestion, a feeling of fullness and suppression of appetite. It is proven to lower cholesterol, helps boost metabolism and maintain good immunity by removing cholesterol from the digestive system that would otherwise end up in the bloodstream. People with diabetes who followed a diet high in soluble fiber from sources like oats have been able to reduce their medication. Oat protein evenelin is nearly equivalent in quality to soy protein, which is equal to meat, milk and egg protein. Yogurt is low in calories and fat and high in proteins and vitamins. The calcium in the yogurt signals your fat cells to pump out less cortisol, making it easier for you to drop pounds, while the amino acids help burn fat. Yogurt reduces the risk of getting type 2 diabetes by 20 to 30%, and its high quality carbohydrates and protein make it an excellent food for slowing or preventing an unhealthy rise in blood sugar in case of diabetes. Coriander is rich in fiber and aids in digestion. Green chili is an anti-obesity agent and it burns a lot of calories and helps in digestion. It is free from saturated fat and cholesterol. Ginger helps regulate cholesterol, boosts immunity and works as a natural appetite suppressant, which is the best way to lose weight. Let's come back to our drink. Add grinded oats to the yogurt with curry or cumin powder, salt and half to 3/4 glass of cold water and blend them well for half a minute. And this makes our weight loss diet drink absolutely ready. The drink can be consumed at any point of the day. Also, do go for a short walk or exercise for 5 to 10 minutes each day and avoid any fatty or deep fried foods. The drink will keep you full for a longer time, help you lose weight, get slim quickly and maintain cholesterol and sugar levels. So what are you waiting for? Go grab a cup of yogurt along with some oats and make this drink for you and your family. You can also follow and reach me on Twitter and FB for a faster response if you have any questions. My Twitter ID is VersatileVickyK and the FB page is VersatileVicky. We'll be coming up with more such health drinks, so do subscribe and stay connected for future notifications. Till then, take care and stay fit. Bye-bye.
Connect with us on social websites. Please like our Facebook page Versatile Vicky. Also like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.